Hi, welcome to Web Solutions. My name is Rahman Zeb, and in this video I will show you how to add a click to call button to Google Sites. Well, I have already created a video on this topic, but the main disadvantage in using their approach is that I was using an image there for the button. And using an image for a button is not a good idea because you cannot have the hover effects, and using an image for the button in Google Sites is quite a cumbersome process because you have to upload your image to an external source like imgur.com and then copy the link and then place it inside the src tag like here. This is the button that we created in our earlier video, and then you have to paste the link here between the src double quotes in the src attribute. Okay, so what is the solution to this problem? Let's find out. We will create similar looking buttons with pure css html only. Okay, first I will click on this embed and then the embed code. So the first thing that I'm going to add at the top is this font awesome link tag. You have to create an account in fontawesome.com before you get this cdn link. Okay, I will paste it at the top, and after it I will create my link tag. Since this is a click to call button, I will add this call and colon before the number. Now between the a tag I will add the code of my font to appear between the link tag. So you have to click on this icons and you will land at a list of icons. Look for the icons that look for the icon that you are looking for, and once you found it, click on it and you will land on a page like this. At the top you will have a code like this. Simply copy it and paste it between the a tag. Now let's see whether we got the link or not. Yeah, we got the icon. Okay, now I will add some styling so the button looks good. The first thing is I will give it a background of h33. You can use whatever you want. I will give it a font size of 48 pixels. For the icon, you can increase the size of the icon by increasing or decreasing the font size. It will increase or decrease the font size, the icon size. And then I will give it a color of plain white, and I will give it a width of the button which should be 100 VW, which is the width of the viewport, and the height should be 100 VW, which is the height of the viewport. And I will give it a border hyphen radius of 100%. And let's see how it looks. It's not looking that bad, and let's see more. We'll give it a display of flex to take the entire space, to fill up the entire box, and I will give it justify hyphen content to horizontally align it to center, and then I will apply align hyphen items to vertically align it to center. Now it's looking better, but it has this line underneath, which I'm going to remove by setting text hyphen decoration to none. Now the line is gone. Now insert it. Now the button is a little to the right and a little to the bottom, so because of this margin at the top and this margin at the left, how we can remove it? Let's do it. I will give it a negative margin of 8 pixels at the top to remove the top margin, and give it a negative pixels of 8 pixels to remove the left margin. And now it will look fine. Yes, it's looking great. Now make it the same size like the buttons below. Now let's place it next to it. Yeah, now Click on the publish, click on the view, and here is our nice login click to call button. When I click on it, it will simply open the window and try to call. Okay, now there is a scroll at the right which I don't like, so how we can remove it? Let's do it. We can remove the scroll by selecting all at the universal selector, which is asterisk in CSS, and setting the max width to 100 VW and the max height to 100 VH. Now the scroll would be gone. Also, I would like to, before we check it, I would like to add a hover effect so you can see, and the background should be plain black when somebody hovers their mouse on the button. I will click on the view, and as you can see, I have added a nice hover effect, and the scroll bar is gone. They are still scrolling on the right, but the button that we just created has no scroll bar at the right, and our button is looking great. Okay, and it has that nice hover effect. Okay, please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks.